true fucking player. Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GM3. I got the chronic by the truth.
Hi, welcome again to our channel with new guests. Here we are, Nana, Nati, Mateo, Susana, and Mateo. Alados. So, today we're going to be preparing some brownies. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and yes, let's go.
It's very delicious.
These are ingredients. This is a butter, eggs, white sugar, flour, cocoa powder, oil, and brown sugar.
Now it's time for the steps. My friend Natalia is going to explain the steps for making the brownies.
First, we're gonna open the two sticks of butter. These are like 150 grams, I think. We are gonna use that, and we are going to melt it. Mateo is prepping the way to melt it, and we are going to take this. As we don't have microwave, we're gonna. As we don't have microwave, we're gonna do it here. Please be very carefully because you can like
Get burned.
and very easily. You know, this is like oil, and we're gonna wait until this is completely melted.
Now we are going to wait until the butter is fully melted. Yeah.
We are gonna measure the amount of brown sugar we need. We need 150 grams of this, so we're gonna measure it right now. Now we're gonna use the melted butter we have, and we're gonna mix it with the brown sugar. Please.
In a bowl.
In a bowl. Okay, we're gonna pour the melted butter in, and we're gonna pour the 150 grams of brown sugar in here. We're gonna mix it until it's completely mixed and it's completely homogeneous.
Now that we got it like this, we are going to pour 4 eggs into the mixture. Now we're going to mix all the eggs together with the previous mixture until it is like, yeah, homogeneous.
Now we are 1 spoon vanilla.
Now we got the mixture like this. You are going to add 130 grams of flour. Any purpose?
100 grams of cocoa powder.
And now we keep mixing. And a quarter of salt. Now we mix everything with this kind of spatula until it is like fully mixed.
So in the next step we are going to pour chocolate chips.
Échalas todas.
No, obvio no.
No, muchas.
Okay.
We are going to mix it until everything is well distributed. Yes. Okay, now we're going to preheat the oven, and we're gonna turn it on and then try to light it on. Yeah, that's it. And now we're going to wait for when this is like pretty hot, so we can put the brownies on.
And we are going to bake for 10 minutes.
Next, we are going to past 10 minutes. We are going to review and see if it needs more time.
Y si no, entonces. puedes limpiar la mesa. Pam, 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 pam.
Okay, now we're gonna take a knife and we're gonna try to demold it. Oh yeah, it not stick to the. Now we're gonna cut it into little squares. Oh my god, this looks delicious.
¿Qué quiero ahora me comiendo? Ya.
Rata inmunda, animal rastrero, escoria de la vida, adefesio mal hecho.
Now you can, you are going to... Oye, pues sin hablar, pues yo...
This is no.
Imagínense que estábamos buscando la cocoa y la mamá de Natalia no nos quiere ayudar porque estaba esperando a que mostraran a la sobrina en televisión. Now we are going to wait until the... ¡Eso grito!
내 파티에 너만 못한 그날 까지 네가 엄청 혼났던 그날 지워 네가 친이랑 약진 그날 그는 언제나 나가 아시 그날 나만 멋있는 옷을 입고 그날